Once you've received your portrait database from your photographer, whether it's on a CD, a DVD, a jump drive, or if they deliver it via Dropbox, you're going to need to get those portraits into Pictavo. Lucky for you, we make the process pretty quick and easy. Now, this tutorial starts already in the Portrait Wizard. There are two different articles out on the help database. One is for PC users and one is for Mac users that kind of go through all of the steps that you need to go through to get to this point. But starting here, the Portrait Wizard inside Pictavo looks the same for PC and Mac users, so we can all use the same tutorial. So the first window that you're going to see is basically just an introduction to what's going to happen. The wizard's going to walk you through step by step. And then just a reminder to insert your portrait CD, DVD, whatever it is, or load your database. Make sure that your database is on your computer somewhere. Click Next. Now mine is out on my desktop, so that's where I'll navigate to. And once you find your portrait database folder, what you're actually going to be looking for is an index file, and it's going to be a text file. So once I select this, I can click Open. And now Pictavo wants me to verify that this smiling face actually goes with this information right here. And if this happens and you're not 100% sure, you don't recognize that student, you can always change person to go to the next student. And you can do that until there's someone that you recognize and that you feel confident you know this information. So then once I feel confident in yes, she belongs with this information, go ahead and click Finish. The next step is deciding how you want to group your portraits on your pages, whether you want all of the students to flow by their teacher or their homeroom, or if you want them to be organized into grade. And really that's just a personal preference. It's up to you and how you want your book laid out. But once you make that decision, then you can go ahead and click Finish. Now, depending on how large or small your school is, that's going to kind of decide how long this next part of the process is going to take. So we're just going to go ahead and skip ahead to this point and click Finish. Now your portraits are loaded, and if you need to make any changes to your database, you can do that here. Otherwise, you can just head over to your pages and start creating portrait flows.